Sunpay 21-volt brushless hammer drill set comes with user guide, 3 wood drill bits, 2 flat drill bits, 3 twist drill bits, and 1 hammer drill bit. And it also comes with 10 screwdriver bits, 1 200mm flexible shaft, and 1 cordless drill. Comes with 2 batteries and a charger, and when the light is green it means it's fully charged. Sunpay also provides 3-year product service. The LED light makes it easy to see in dark areas and has battery life indicator. It is easy to switch from screw driving to drilling and hammer drilling. It comes with 23 torque positions, 2 settings, low for screw driving and high for drilling, and the area in the back is great for holding an extra bit. This drill is great for DIY, woodworking, and brick drilling. It is equipped with high efficiency brushless motor generating 45% more power, extends service life by 70%, and runs 30% quieter compared to traditional brush motors. It operates completely spark-free, ensuring safety and more reliable to tackle every job. It comes with 2 high-capacity batteries that allows for seamless battery swapping to ensure workflow is uninterrupted. It only takes 1.5 hours to charge and 1 hour of runtime for each battery.